Now, WGAL News 8's weather on the 8s with meteorologist Christine Ferreira.
And behind that system, it will stay windy here in the Susquehanna Valley through Friday. So we are not done with the winds just yet. Yesterday was the start of our windy stretch, and it goes all the way through the end of the work week here. Now, isolated snow showers are also possible today, tomorrow, even into Friday. Isolated being the key word. I think maybe tomorrow we have the best chance of seeing a rain or snow shower in the afternoon, though. Milder weekend will follow. Temperatures get back up into the 50s, which is more typical for this time of the year. Today, News 8 Storm Team forecast calls for sunshine in the morning, then increasing clouds around lunchtime. Windy and cold, though, is our main weather feature. With the feel-like temperature out there, it's going to feel like 20s and 30s for most of the day. Tonight, some clearing, still brisk overnight, lows in the upper 20s. And tomorrow, repeat performance, clouds in the morning, sun in the morning, clouds in the afternoon, and windy and chilly conditions for you. Rain or snow shower possible tomorrow afternoon or evening. Here's a live look in Hanover. It's 27 degrees. Winds are out of the west at 7 miles per hour. Makes it feel like 19 when you step out the door. Currently in Lewistown, you have 23, 29 in Lebanon, 28 in Gettysburg, 31 in Harrisburg. But remember, that's only half the story. This is the current wind chill, and they are in the teens to low 20s. Let's talk more about the winds. Predictor will show us the winds expected this afternoon, and that's sustained around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, winds dip down to about 15 miles per hour and go right back up to 20 as we head into tomorrow. Even Friday, we're not done with the strong winds yet. They'll be sustained near 20 miles per hour. Here's a live look at Super Doppler 8. That nor'easter pulling away from New England. High pressure building into the plains and Midwest. Pressure difference between those two systems causing the wind for us today. And that's a thing that's going to persist for us, like I mentioned, for most of the week. So here's what the predictor shows. Morning sun gives way to mostly cloudy skies and an isolated snow shower. Tomorrow we do it exactly the same way. Morning sunshine, mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon, and I think a better chance perhaps of a rain or snow shower then. On Friday, things look a little brighter for us. We could luck out with some more sunshine for you, and I think that will be a theme that lasts into the weekend. So brighter skies, milder temperatures, calmer winds this weekend. We go with 48 degrees on Saturday, 52 degrees on Sunday, and those are good numbers for St. Patrick's Day parades in both York and Harrisburg on Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Next week, I see yet another weather system, guys, which could bring us some rain or snow or mix or both, or it's one of those deals once again.
Do you know what? It just makes us appreciate spring all the more when it does finally, officially.
I know
if
we
you're
get
starting
spring.
to bud, they're
to
trying.
feel like spring.
Yeah, not yet.
Okay.
All right.
All right, Christine, thanks.